An intelligence analyst is entering an identity for an entity. After the identity is entered, the identity field turns red. Image. What does this indicate? Option A. There is a typographical error in the identity. Option B. The identity field does not allow for all capital letters. Option C. This identity is already used for another entity on the chart. Option D. There are not enough characters entered in the identity field. The correct answer is option C. Which entity type is shown here? Image. Option A. Icon. Option B. Mail. Option C. Picture. Option D. Event frame. The correct answer is option B. Review the following image. What are A, AB, B, O and unknown, in the image above? Option A. Attribute entries. Option B. Attribute classes. Option C. Analysis attributes. Option D. Automatic attributes. The correct answer is option A. Examine the image here. Image. Given the choices below, where is the best location to put the highlighted characteristic information so it can be used with visual search? Option A. Cards. Option B. Attributes. Option C. Description. Option D. Database instances. The correct answer is option B.